Most times, breathing is an involuntary and unconscious process. When your nose is stuffy, however, the difficulty to make air pass through the nose makes it uncomfortable to breathe, doesn't it? You probably experienced this at some point in your life, haven't you? Inhaling herbal steam is a natural solution, different from those nasal sprays sold at drugstores that can cause long-term dependence. Inhaling herbal steam is an efficient, healthy, and therapeutic solution to decongest your airways and have a peaceful sleep. These inhalations can be done with herbs with suppressant properties or others that alleviate coughing and airway irritations. An example of an herb that can be used for inhalations is eucalyptus. When combined with other herbs, eucalyptus offers many medicinal properties that make for an excellent inhalation. Enjoying the video? Then give it a like and share it with your friends. You can also contribute to the channel through the thanks button. Don't forget to subscribe to be notified of any new videos. It is also excellent to alleviate coughing crises and decongest the chest. To make a eucalyptus steam inhalation, you will need 1 cup eucalyptus leaves, great to relieve coughs and decongest the chest. 4 tablespoons peppermint. It has great suppressant potential, decongests the airways, and relaxes the body. 4 tablespoons thyme. An antiseptic, antiviral, and suppressant. It has many other uses besides giving flavor to your dishes. 3 tablespoons salt. Mix all ingredients and macerate the herbs to release their oils. Transfer the macerated mixture to a basin. Boil 4 cups of water and pour it over the herbs. Put the basin on a table or countertop. Cover your head with a towel and position it 10 to 15 inches over the basin. Take deep, slow breaths over the steam for approximately 10 minutes. For the next few minutes after this inhalation, you should avoid breathing cold air. Don't even open your fridge, as the temperature shock can hinder your breathing. If your symptoms persist, talk to a doctor. Now let's see how to make a sage and basil inhalation. 4 sage branches, approximately 5 inches each. Sage is a potent expectorant and cleans even hidden phlegm. It is great in cases of bronchitis, rhinitis, and other respiratory tract inflammations. 5 basil branches, approximately 8 inches each. It is a highly recommended suppressant if you have too much phlegm in your chest. 100 ounces boiling water. Follow the same steps from the first inhalation, okay? Now that you know these 2 incredible recipes to naturally improve your breath, go and enjoy the effects of herbal steam inhalation. Try it and share your opinion with us. If you liked the video, give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. For more recipes and tips, subscribe to the channel.